Everyone, so back at the channel. It's good to be back, and today we're going to be talking about a problem that a lot of people come to find in their performance of their computer. So we're going to be talking about the RAM. Now, to find the RAM on a MacBook or any kind of Mac, you go to the Apple logo about this Mac, and you can see here that I have a 2010 MacBook Pro with a 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core 2 Duo processor. I have 8 gigabytes of 1067 megahertz DDR3 RAM, and it comes with a NVIDIA GeForce 320M graphics processor that's built in with the CPU. And then I currently have installed an SSD, but it comes with a regular 5400 RPM hard drive. So now to find the amount of RAM, you simply open up this, and it shows you have 8 gigabytes, and in my case I have 8 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. Now the stock Apple configuration ships with 4 gigabytes. Now I'm going to show you how to replace this today so that you can boost it up to 8 gigabytes, which is in my version the max supported, but you can go all the way up to 16 gigabytes in the Non-Retina MacBook Pros, and then depending on what you do with your factory presettings, when you order it off Apple's website, you can't really do anything there because it's soldered to the motherboard, so it's not really usable, replaceable. So yeah, let's go ahead and switch to the how-to video. Alright, now that we have shut down our MacBook Pro and turned it over, and in my case I have a cover on it, so I removed the cover, we have taken our screwdriver, in this case as part of a iFixit 54-bit driver set that I got off of Amazon, so I will post a link of that in the description. So let's take that and let's quickly undo the screws. So now that we've removed our screws, let's take off the back covering. And here you can see the internals of the computer. Now the RAM slot is located right here. So what to do is you take these two pins and you just pop them open and you just pull. And the memory is going to look a lot like this. You can buy it pretty much anywhere at a computer store, at for example, like Fry's or Micro Center or something like that. So put that to the side, and then to get to the other one, you just pop that in like that. And in the case of 10.9 Mavericks, the general minimum memory requirements is 4 gigabytes, so this would be upgrading from that to either 8 or 16 gigabytes depending on your model. And to take that's how you take the old memory out. Now I'm just going to use my existing memory that I have to show you how to put it back in. You would just take it and you would make sure that these pins, there's small pin, big pin kind of line up here, and you would match them up in the hole like so, and you would just push down until you hear a little click, and then you would take the next memory module and you would just plug in the same way until you hear another click. So, and then you're done. Now you're just going to take the back panel, put it back on there, and just start screwing it in again. So, alright, so now that we have successfully replaced our RAM, let us go back and check to make sure that we have properly upgraded. So we'll go back to the Apple logo and click about this Mac, and as you can see, you will either see 16 or 8 gigabytes or whatever combination you decide to do. So I have successfully reinstalled my 8 gigabytes of DDR3 memory, and that concludes this video. So hit that like button below, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks.